Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This video is a bit of a life update. Yes, life update. I'm doing my first life update. Seriously guys, I wasn't really keen on doing this video. It was actually one of my friends in London that said, Aisha, she was like, Funke, you need to do a life update video so that people understand your content. They see posts from here, from there, from where. Explain what's going on with you. Before I start to go into that, I want to say a big thank you to all those of my new subscribers that have joined the Sassy Funke channel. Yes, thank you guys so much for subscribing to my channel and for coming on this journey with me. And I really hope you enjoy my channel. If you're new on this channel, Sassy Funke, and I'm a Nigerian travel and lifestyle vlogger and blogger based everywhere. We're based in Lagos, US, everywhere. On my channel you're gonna find travel vlogs, travel hacks, lifestyle vlogs, all that jazz. Yes, so back to my life update. What is happening with me? What is happening? So you guys probably know, if you've been on my channel, that obviously I got married. So yes, that's like the first thing that's happened to me, going from single living life to like married life. So that's a huge change. First of all, I absolutely loved our traditional wedding. It was so beautiful. But I would say something, like planning a wedding in Nigeria is no easy task to do. And I think I've realized that I don't like planning things for myself. I'm very happy to plan anything for somebody else's party, but for myself, I don't think I like making decisions or being pushed to do things I don't want to do. So yeah, glad it's over. I'm glad I can start marriage beyond the wedding, which is great. I'm happy I found an amazing partner who is super supportive, who supports my dreams, who pushes me, really pushes me to getting things done, which is something I love because I procrastinate a lot at times, and he's just very much like, get it, okay, just do it. So that is great. Yeah, it's an amazing guy. But that aside, so yes, I think the biggest change for me in marriage now is that if I want to travel, I can't just pick up my bag and travel. I have to say, babe, I want to go here, what do you think? And he might be like, oh, are you sure it's safe to go there? Oh, maybe we should go next year. I can't go because of this. And it's like, you now have to consider somebody else. And I think it's something I've not been used to because I've been so independent from the days I was in boarding school in Scotland as a 14-year-old. I just do things, get things done without anybody's input. So that's been a change that I've had to adjust to. But overall, it's been super positive. On that front. As in, I loved our wedding because for me, weddings is literally about families and friends coming together to celebrate a moment. A lot of my amazing friends, even some that never been to Nigeria or been to Africa before, flew to Nigeria, and we had an amazing time. And just sharing that moment, sharing my culture, my country with my friends that are not Nigerian and not African, was for me so beautiful because they got to see a side of Africa, a piece of Nigeria that isn't well told or isn't told in the media. So for me, that was amazing, and I know they loved it. So if you're ever keen on visiting Nigeria, I have many videos on my channel. Check it out. You're gonna see a lot and love it. So to the second biggest move that life update that has happened in the past few weeks is that I've left Nigeria. Yes, I'm no longer living in Nigeria. The hope is that this is just a temporary move. I'm actually now at, let me show you guys, Harvard. Actually, no, I'm not at Harvard. I'm just a wife of someone that's at Harvard. So my husband is studying here, trying to get that master's cleaned up, done, so that we can power on and, build our lives together. It's been weird being the wife of somebody that's studying, because I was studying before and I had friends that sort of had their wives with them. I used to think, oh, look what those ones do. So I'm now one of those people. Hi, Chineke. It's all good. The great thing though is because of my blog and sort of my travel lifestyle sort of brand business, I can work from anywhere. So I work with a lot of brands now in the US, in New York, so which is really, really exciting because I get to capture the side of the market. Which, yeah, it's amazing. I'm hoping to travel a lot more since I'm here on the side of the continent. So maybe some South American trips you see me on soon, because it is so much cheaper to fly from here than to fly from Nigeria. So I am happy about that. So yeah, so in terms of that side of my life, I am really happy. But I am very sad that I am now in America when it is freezing cold. The weather here is like, ha, ha. See, I'm wearing a short sleeve now because the heating is on blast. If not, I'll be dying. And it snowed yesterday. So for me, the weather is something that really affects my mood. And so I'm not the happiest about it. Like I miss Nigeria, I miss the weather, I miss the people being vibrant, I miss the fact that I can, just walk down the stairs, go to Grand Square, go to concerts, just open air culture, which I cannot do now until it's summer, and probably by summer we'll leave here. But yes, that's the big change. Look, I miss Nigeria, but you know what, as I said, and I think for me, I am a very positive being. I try to embrace any new change because there's a lot we can learn from new change if we're just open towards it. And I'm excited to learn to open myself up to more things. I'm hoping to start a podcast soon. I am going to continue my vlogs, my travel vlogs, my travel hacks, and my sort of the sassy life, which is going to be more like life in Boston now. And one thing I'm planning to start tomorrow, guys, is to do daily vlogs. So I'm hoping for the month of February, I'm going to do daily vlogs every day. I really hope you guys enjoy the content. I hope I can do it. And I really hope you guys follow me on this journey. Share with me your thoughts around anything. If you have travel questions, don't be afraid. Like, email me, I'll reply to you back. You know what I mean? Thank you again for watching, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Baby.